Hi boys and girls, I'm Mrs. Davis and I'm going to be doing your journal writing lesson for today. I am doing the lesson for my class and for Miss Greg's class, so I have lots of friends here. Hello everybody in kindergarten. Your journal writing goes on this paper. You should have it in your folder, okay? When you do your journal writing, your picture goes at the top and your words go at the bottom, okay? Your picture at the top and your words at the bottom. If you turn it over, you can do another story tomorrow or during my next lesson, okay? Picture at the top, words on the bottom, okay? I'm going to do my story on this yellow paper because I want to make sure that you can see it, okay? I've got my line in the middle, just like your paper, so my picture's going to go at the top and my words at the bottom, okay? I'm gonna get started on my story, and how I like to start my story is by drawing a picture. And I want to draw a picture of something that Mrs. Greg and I like to do together. We like to play together because we're friends. So I'm going to draw a picture of Mrs. Greg and we're going to be playing ball together, okay? So to draw a picture of me, I'm going to do a circle for my head. I'm going to do a triangle for my body. I'm going to have some feet and some arms, my eyes, okay? And I'm smiling because I like playing with Mrs. Greg. I have red hair. And now I'm going to draw Mrs. Greg. I draw a circle for her head and a triangle for her body and some legs and some arms. She needs some eyes. I can't forget the eyes and a happy face. And Miss Greg's hair is blonde, but you can't really see that because my paper's already yellow. We like to play ball together, so I'm going to draw a ball that we are throwing back and forth. Now I'm going to add some details. Details are the things in my picture that show you where it's at, okay, and what we're doing. I'm going to draw some grass. I know that grass is green, so I'm using my green marker. I'm going to draw a tree. I'm going to draw the bottom part of the tree, the trunk, brown. And I'm going to draw the top part of my tree green. Okay? Now, it's time for me to write my story. And you say, Mrs. Davis, I don't know how to write a story. But yes, you do. You are very good at writing a story. Okay? And I'm going to write, I like to play with my friend. Okay? So I'm going to start my sentence with the word I. I remember that I learned the word I in my live lesson with my teacher, and I read it in my paper book. So I know how to write I. So I'm going to write a capital I. I always start my sentence with a capital letter. I'm going to put a space because we don't mush our words together. That's ugly. I'm going to write like. But I don't know how to write like. Oh no. What should I do? I don't know how. You know what? It's okay. Maybe you don't know how either, but you maybe know that you need a word there, so you're just going to put a little squiggle. And the squiggle tells us, okay, that we know there's a word there, but we don't know what it is yet. So I have I like to, t, t. You know what? I think I've heard that sound before. T. I think that's a T. Okay? And, ooh, you know what? I don't know that part. Oh no. What could I do? Oh, that's right. I can put a little squiggle. I like to play. Play. Oh my goodness. I don't know that word. You said I could put a little squiggle? Is that okay? It's okay that nobody will be upset? Of course. Remember, I put a space because we don't moosh our words together. Play. I like to play with. You know what? I've heard that sound before. I'm checking my letters. I think that's W. So I write a W. With. Ooh, I don't know the rest of it. Oh no. Should I just put a little squiggle? Is that okay? I think that'll work. I like to play with my, oh gosh, it's another word I don't know. I'm just gonna put a little squiggle. Friend. Oh, friend. I remember that Mrs. Davis said is the fire card. And I remember that was F. We talked about that when we were with our teachers. So I'm gonna put an F because I know that the F sound is F, but I don't know the rest of the word. So I'm just gonna put a little squiggle. So now it says, I like to play with my friend. And I'm done. So I'm gonna put a dot here. That dot is called a period. Can you say period? Period means stop. It means I'm done. I am all done with my sentence. I like to play with my friend. Look, you do know how to write. And even if we don't, we can use little squiggles. Okay? See you till next time.